Are you Ceci Bella?
Yes.
Very well. Let me quickly open up. Okay. This is my first time. I've never done this thing before. So please.
Shh. You talk too much. And meanwhile, your friend has already told me everything about you. Okay? Just relax. Can you do that for me? I know how best to relax people like you. When I start by choking you. Poor boy. It's okay. Sorry.
It's fine.
Then I will rough handle you to myself. Really rough you up.
I can't take it.
And I know you will love it. Then I will take you to the bed. Then I'm going to tie you up. You'll be so vulnerable, so helpless. And I'm going to flog you. You'll be so wicked and mean. And you'll be screaming for help. But nobody will help you. Because it's just the two of us. Have I told you I'm a biter?
No.
Chief, I'm going to bite you everywhere.
God help
and leave
me.
marks all over you. Unforgettable ones. Chief, you see that your big tummy? By the time I sit on it and stand up, you will have 6-pack. Chief, by the time I'm done with everything I say and more, you'll be admitted to the hospital. And I hope you survive it. Chief, you know it. I'm hot. Let's go inside.
Madam.
Chief.
Wait. Relax, calm down. Just give me 1 minute.
Okay.
And let me quickly make arrangement for the room.
Okay.
Then we can go inside and have all this fun.
Okay,
yeah?
Chief. Okay.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Chief,
We just
Chief.
Now me go end your career. Now me, I go end your career.
Calm down. They are going. You have escaped.
God, I beg you. I'm a married man. Me want small girl to go kill me my children.
Run, no.
I dey go ask.
It's so quick. Did you spend time outside?
No, I changed my mind. I decided to come and spend time with my darling. Money, I'm hungry. Honey, yes? Please, this person is after my life. Help me swear for this person.
Hello? My God will punish you. The God I serve will punish you. Leave my husband alone. Leave my husband alone. Woo!